The ocean hides some of the wildest animals on earth. Here are 10 sea animals plus one crazy fact about each. First, dolphins. Dolphins give each other names. They use unique whistles to call their friends. Second, seahorse. With seahorses, the male gets pregnant. The dad carries up to 1,000 babies. Third, whale. A blue whale's tongue weighs as much as an elephant, and its heart is the size of a car. Fourth, shark. Sharks have been on earth longer than trees. They have existed for over 400 million years. Next, octopus. An octopus has 3 hearts, blue blood, and 8 legs, and can squeeze through a hole the size of a coin. Next, clownfish. Clownfish are born male. The dominant one can turn female to lead the group. Jellyfish. The immortal jellyfish can reverse its aging process. It can basically live forever. Crab. Some crabs can regrow a lost claw, and the coconut crab can crack open coconuts. Starfish. Starfish can regrow an entire arm. Some can even regrow a whole body just from one arm. Turtle. They look slow, but they are actually ocean superheroes. Sea turtles can cross an entire ocean and always find their way back home. They use Earth's magnetic field like a built-in GPS. Which fact shocked you the most? Comment the number 1 to 10 below. Follow us on Madame for more ocean facts every week.